Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to refresh an AirTag location. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Find My app. At the bottom of the screen, tap on Items. You will see a list of all your AirTags. Tap the AirTag you want to refresh. The map will open and show the last known location. To refresh the location, swipe down on the screen with your finger and then release. This tells the Find My app to look for a new update. If the location does not change, tap Play Sound. If the AirTag is nearby, you may hear it. This can also help trigger a new update. If your iPhone supports precision finding, tap Find Nearby and slowly move your phone around. This can refresh the location when you are close. If the AirTag still does not update, check your iPhone settings. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Location Services. Make sure Location Services is on. Scroll down to Find My and set it to while using the app or always. Also turn on Precise Location. Next, go back to Settings and open General, then Background App Refresh. Make sure Background App Refresh is on and enabled for Find My. That is how you refresh an AirTag location. Thanks for watching.